The unwanted finish line. Chasing sub 1 nanometer CD SEM resolution. Part 2. We already presented this animation about beam spacing impact in averaging of stochastic series. But in order to illustrate impact of resolution, we will modify it. Irradiation area, in blue, will be equal to primary beam, red, for the sake of explanation. Let's try to understand impact of resolution in scan direction X. Let's use following simplified model for our considerations. Scanline equals set PB asterisk SF, where PB equals primary beam, definition of resolution. SF equals surface function, ideal line, / ideal profile. Asterisk equals convolution. Set equals secondary electron transformation, basically how the detector turns surface interactions into the famous Batman line scan shape. We will take out set of our consideration, because resolution impact on set transformation not quite important right now. Set is a physical transformation, heavily related to electron collection, not primary beam itself. Assuming independence of set transformation from primary beam resolution, we could exclude set from our simplified model to determine tendencies and overall expectations. For sure, set transformation will impose different limitations and weights to our assumption, but trend will stay the same. Here we have ideal profile after convolution with Gaussian, representing different primary beam sizes. What we can learn from this representation. Let's find CD dimension according to gray level, thresholding, and gradient algorithms. As we could see, placement of edge according to gradient and GL are virtually identical for any resolution. Small noise addition have little impact on edge placement. Noise addition start to show more stability for edge detection through GL algorithm than for gradient one. It starts to be obvious with more noise injection. We run batch of 100 measurements with different PB sizes. Let's review results distribution for different noise levels. While for small amount of noise gradient looks better due to quantization. But with noise increase, we start to see that range for gradient surpassed range for GL. Quite interesting that higher sigma will suppress result spread. More significant outliers are suppressed by big sigma, higher primary beam size. So conclusion will quite shocking. Better resolution will impact negatively on precision. Thank you for attention.